Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys what are some of the best brush pens for calligraphy. When I was a beginner to calligraphy, I had a hard time deciding which brush pen to buy, and it all just became a cluster of brush pens that I don't use much. Some of the brush pens that I've used are Tombow Fudenoski Soft Tip, Fudenoski Hard Tip, Tombow Dual Brush Pens, Dual Brush Grey and Black, and Camlin Brush Pens. Today I'll put all of them to the test to see which one is better. We'll be deciding based on the quality, control, ghosting on the paper and the price. First, let me show you the brush pen. Here's the Tombow Fudenoski Soft Tip, the Tombow Dual Brush, the Tombow Hard Tip, the Camlin Brush Pens, Tombow Dual Brush Pen Black. I'll be swatching and writing with all of them on a piece of paper so you can see its outcome. First up is a Tombow Soft Tip. It costs around 110 rupees and I feel like it's good for light handwriting and smaller handwriting. It's not so much for beginners because it doesn't teach you how to control your handwriting. Next is the Tombow Fudenoski Hard Tip. It costs about 110 rupees too, and it's good for beginners because it has smaller and stiff handwriting. It helps in being consistent and it teaches you how to control a brush pen. Next is the Tombow Dual Brush Pen Black. It costs around 165 rupees and it has a really thick tip, so you don't have that much of control over it, so I wouldn't recommend it for beginners, and it's more on the higher price side, but it has really good quality and it lasts really long. Next is the Tombow Dual Brush Grey and Black. It costs about 199 rupees and the nib is more like the soft tip. If you're interested in smooth lettering, then this brush pen is for you. Amongst all these brush pens that I've tried out, this has the most smoothest nib and it helps in really smooth lettering. The Camlin brush pens come in a set of 6, 12 or 24. The 6 costs about 81 rupees and the 12 set costs about 199 rupees and the 24 set costs about 350 rupees. These brush pens have so many colors to choose from. They are great for thick lettering, but they do ghost behind the paper. It has a really thick nib, so we don't have that much of control over it, but for the cost it's really worth it. Here's the final swatches of all of them. So which brush pen is the best? For me, I feel the Tombow hard tip is great, and if I'm trying to get brush pens for thick lettering, I would choose the Camlin brush pens because they are affordable and they last longer. For beginners, the Tombow Fudinowsky hard tip is a great guide to control, and we can use it for smaller lettering. When you're more than a beginner and you want to try out brush pens that are worth its price, then the Tombow soft tip is great for smooth lettering. It is the next step to controlling your lettering after using the hard tip. For thick lettering, you can also get Tombow Dual Brush Pen Black. It's on the higher price side, but as I already said, it has a great quality and lasts long. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know if you want more videos like this, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Stay home and stay safe.